Ever wondered how to send email notifications for activities in Azure Synapse Analytics data pipeline? It's a question that often pops up, and today it's time to unravel the answer. Azure Synapse Analytics, Microsoft's integrated analytics service, enables the creation of sophisticated data pipelines. But the cherry on top is its ability to send email notifications for activities within these pipelines. This feature is instrumental in staying updated and quickly responding to any critical issues that may arise. So, how does one set up these email notifications? The process begins with setting up an Azure Logic app, a cloud service that helps to schedule, automate, and orchestrate tasks. To do this, go to the Azure portal and under Create a Resource, search for Logic App, fill in the details and click on Create. Once the Logic app is set up, it's time to design a workflow. In the Logic Apps Designer, search for recurrence and add it as the first step. This will determine how often the Logic app checks for new data. Next, add the Get a Pipeline Run action. This step will fetch the status of the pipeline run. The third step involves adding a condition. This condition will check if the pipeline run status is failed. If it's true, then the Logic app should send an email notification. For this, add the Send an Email V2 action under the If True branch of the condition. Fill in the details for the email, including the recipient's email address, subject, and body. This workflow ensures that an email gets sent out each time there's a pipeline failure. To recap, the key points discussed are: 1. The process starts by setting up an Azure Logic app. 1. Designing a workflow within the Logic app is the next step. This workflow includes a recurrence action, a Get a Pipeline Run action, and a condition to check the pipeline run status. 1. If the condition is met, the Send an Email V2 action is triggered, sending an email notification to the specified recipient. So there you have it. A comprehensive guide to setting up email notifications for activities in Azure Synapse Analytics data pipeline. By following these steps, you'll stay informed about the status of your data pipelines, ensuring you can respond promptly to any issues. But remember, this is just one of the many features of Azure Synapse Analytics. The platform offers a wealth of tools and functionalities, all designed to help you make the most of your data. So, go ahead and explore. The world of data is at your fingertips.